Here's my Massey 10, and here's the Allis Chalmers 912. This is a 84 to 86 machine. It's got the 12 horsepower Kohler. It's pretty bomb-proof. It's got the 3-speed high-low. Here's your belt change. Air horns, which was not an option factory, but it is from me, so I put air horns onto it. It's got headlights. It all works. All the electrical works, which is nice. There's the 42-inch mower deck tucked away. I paid $75 for this tractor. Got a pretty good deal on it, if I must say. I'll give it a crank up. I had it running just a couple minutes ago, or a minute or so ago, so hopefully she starts up for us. Just on idle. Yep, wants a little choke, I guess. Come on, girl. I'm trying to rev it up slowly. There we go. She runs pretty good.